We're gonna do one more little medley. We're gonna take a quick break, and I would love to see who's around here because this is the time now that I get to meet you all and maybe take some requests if you guys want to hang out some more. Once again, we are Trade Winds. My name is Jensen Rabacol. We got Len Silva on the cajon. So we're gonna do a little local medley for you. A little positive music coming your way here at the Burger Wing Hub. Here we go. Keep on listening to what we're about to say. We're on a mission to try to find a way. If you and me make a guarantee to spread a little aloha around the world. And I know we can work it out and make this world a better place for you and for me. A-L-O-H-A, a little aloha in a day. Spread a little aloha around the world. A-L-O-H-A, a little aloha in a day. Spread a little aloha around the world. Could you imagine all around the world a little aloha in every boy and girl? Could you imagine how simple life can be with a little aloha in you and me? Let's spread a little bit of aloha, put a little love in your heart, take a little dip in the ocean, oh yeah, sing A-L-O-H-A, a little aloha in a day, spread a little aloha around the world. Singing A-L-O-H-A, a little aloha in a day. Spread a little aloha around the world.
Like some nice harmony. Yeah. You hear the harmony? Yeah. It's not like great.
Just sing. Here's what I like for you. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you'll feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a better place, so make a better space in the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. And if you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares of joy forgiving. And if we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot fear. Feel of dread, we stop existing and stop living. Then feels that always love's enough for us growing. So make a better world. So make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. for you and for me. Let's make a better place for you and for me. What's that? Let's make a better place for you and for me. Hey guys, thank you so much for hanging out.